Hello everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to access the Wi-Fi hotspot settings so that you can share your Wi-Fi name and password with the guest you have in your vehicle. So super easy to use, super easy to get to. So what we're going to do is hit the settings icon right here, and then you'll see under the system screen Wi-Fi hotspot. Go ahead and select that. Alright, so you see Wi-Fi name. So right now it's just set to the default, which is my Chevrolet. Wi-Fi password is just a bunch of numbers and letters. So once you do your OnStar welcome call after purchasing the vehicle, you will be able to change that Wi-Fi name and password to something that suits you better. So super easy to use, and you can actually connect up to 7 different devices to the Wi-Fi. So just remember, if you do have any questions for us, please give us a call at 903-374-0227.